What's up guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics 4 on your WordPress website. First, make sure that you have an account in Google and you are creating an account in Google Analytics. I have typed my account name and I will select all the account data sharing settings and click Next. Now you need to set the property name and select the reporting time zone and the currency. Click Next and describe your business details. Also click Next and choose your website objectives. In my case, I want to generate leads and drive online sales. Create and also agree with the Google Analytics terms and conditions. Click Accept. And now our account and property are created. Now we want to choose the platform and Google Analytics. So I select web and I will paste my domain and also my stream name. Also turn on the enhanced measurement and click create stream. Now we have created our stream, but we haven't installed it yet in our CMS. Now in my website, Google detected the Sitekit plugin and WooCommerce plugin. And you have also the option to install manually. In my case, I have installed the Sitekit plugin for WordPress, so you can go and install it. It is this one, Sitekit by Google. So click on it, and now you have installation instruction by Google. So you just go to your website and install the Sitekit by Google. After the installation is complete, go to Sitekit and sign in with the Google account that you created analytics on it. So click sign in with Google, give the all accesses to Sitekit and click continue. Now we need to verify site ownership. So you click verify and click turn on metrics in your dashboard. Also, we need to set up the search console by clicking setup, and also click next to set up Google Analytics. Now the analytics is connecting to our website, and as you can see, we can find here the account, the property, and the web data stream of our Google Analytics account. Click Configure Analytics, and now you can see that the plugin is gathering data from Google Analytics. As you can see, we have completed successfully the setup for Google Analytics. It will take some time until the plugin gathers all data from Google Analytics 4. Here you can see the traffic, the content, the speed of website, and also the monetization. Okay guys, this is what we had for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, but don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to see more videos like this. Until the next time, I wish you success with your websites and I hope you find this video helpful. Till the next time, see ya.